We also have, of course, the definitional issue, and this is something that's more related to the politics of it, of what is an armed conflict. I mean, can anybody here tell me what an armed conflict is? Dr. Wright?
Well, according to, we had this discussion in class, according to the Uppsala website, it's 25 people killed a year in a conflict.
You data people, you data people.
Yeah, right.
And you're talking about the politics of the UN. There isn't one. There just isn't one. Our title says armed conflict. I don't know why they did that, because they have no definition for it, and they can't agree on what a potential definition would be. The only thing that we've got is a nasty gram at one point telling us that particular situations are not do not fall under the definition of armed conflict as per the Geneva Conventions. But when you read the Geneva Conventions, basically it says if it talks like a duck, walks like a duck, then you really have a duck. It doesn't actually define it. It just says, well, in these situations where everybody kind of agrees that you have that, then you have that. But and that's a practitioner's role, and that's very useful for the Geneva Conventions, or sometimes not. But for us, when you were coming with the Security Council train behind you, and you come to a situation that's not seized by the Council, convincing them that they actually have an armed conflict is not easy. And we don't do that. We avoid the question. We say situations of concern, and basically we say if it talks like a duck, walks like a duck for kids, then we have a duck. And that's where we're into a lot of debate about whether or not particular parts of the country are duck or not duck. And we just say if the duck is abusing children, then we have duck. But it causes a huge amount of rotational, and always, especially if it's a new situation that is not seized by the Council, which most of the world is not, it becomes very, very difficult to move, and we get squeezed. You also have